million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just
I'm back with some human hair drip from a company that we worked with before in the past. That's called Donmily Hair. Normally, I like the hair that we get from them. I would say they got like a 95% success rate because, you know, some companies, they trash. I told you it was trash. We never work with them again. Donmily Hair is definitely not one of them. If you look in the description box, you should see a coupon code down there. And all the information on this wig because I have no idea what's in this box. All I did was take it out of the DHL packaging. So let us see. They sent us some stocking caps. I think it's a headband wig and some headbands. Yep, this a headband wig. Okay. For the summer though, I will say that a headband wig is a must. At least I'm thinking it's a headband wig. It says it's in the color FB30 and it's 24 inches long. Let us see. It might not be no headband wig. I might just lie to you. It is a headband wig. And I will say that this color, this FB30, is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Look at that. Woo! Headband wigs, in my opinion, did they kind of start to play out? Yes. However, are they a must for this summer season? Yes. Comes with 2 headbands. Whoever purchased this off Posh, you're gonna get both of them. Okay. I'm gonna go with this one, y'all. Even though that one is cute. Okay. Let me put this around my neck, and then I'm gonna show you the cap construction on it. This is pretty straightforward, y'all. My head might be too big for this. Ugh. Ooh, whew. Look tight. Okay. Cap construction is, standard cap construction on a headband wig. You're gonna get a comb here to the right, comb to the left, a comb there. Then in the back, you get a comb. And then you get the elastic Velcro band that's gonna attach the wig to your head. Pretty simple, okay? Let me put it on. Just that simple. And then I'm gonna play around with this wig a little bit. All right, cause that color, y'all, ooh, look at that color. Is gorgeous. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna style this wig a few ways, just to, show you that you can pull it up, pull half up, do a ponytail if you want. Right, so there are many different ways that you'll be able to wear this, but look at that wave pattern on this and look at that color. That is beautiful. Let me go get a hair tie. I'll be right back. I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I think headbands at this point, everybody should have one. I think they're a must-have, especially in this summer season, okay? Because you could, like I said, put it in that ponytail, which that's a whole look in itself to me. Even with the body wave, you can wrap it around, make it an updo. You can leave it all down, and that was cute. But it's something about this little stinking, messy ponytail that's just it for me. Do I recommend this one by Donmily Hair? Hands down, yes, I do. Especially if you don't have any headband wigs in your arsenal for it. That's summer. Beat the heat. Easy. This is Lazy Girl approved. Go get you one. I definitely can recommend this one. Look at that description box. You'll see a direct link to this wig and all the details on it. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.